Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to update DualSense controller on Mac step-by-step firmware update guide. Method 1. Update DualSense using a PS5. Step 1. Turn on your PS5. Step 2. Now connect your DualSense controller to the PS5 with the USB-C cable. Step 3. Go to Settings, then go to Accessories. Step 4. Select DualSense Wireless Controller Device Software. Step 5. If an update is available, click on Update. Method 2. Update DualSense using a Windows PC. Step 1. Install the PlayStation Accessories app on your Windows PC. Step 2. Connect the DualSense controller using a USB-C cable. Step 3. Open the PlayStation Accessories app. Step 4. Wait for the app to detect your controller. Step 5. Click Update if a new firmware version is available. And step 6 is to keep the controller connected until the update is completed. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.